You have got to be kidding me. I finally get the car ready to go, on the way up to the speed store, to do a video, and a tractor trailer hits me. I'm between two of them. He can't brake in time, I guess, because the guy in front braked. And this happens, and now he's gone. Wow. What a joke. You've got to be kidding me. He just left. I'm on the side of Route 70 here, but wow. What a joke. You've got to be kidding me. Oh my God. For the most part, everything else is okay, but that's not. Maybe that piece of metal right there is from the truck, but wow. Hey everyone, so I got hit by a semi-truck just now. Drunk driver, or who knows. Sorry for my kind of unfiltered reaction here. I've been waiting on the highway, the shoulder here, for almost an hour. Police still haven't shown. I haven't driven the car other than spinning out, but hopefully there's no frame damage or anything else. But traffic was slowing down because the highway was condensing to 3 lanes right by exit 53B on Route 70 in Maryland, going to the speed store. And guy just hit me and kept going. I spun out. I'm lucky I didn't hit anyone else, but I just kept going. So thank you for all your support. If you have any advice, let me know. Yet again, another hit and run, but I don't know. Just maybe this car's cursed, maybe I'm cursed, I don't know, but all I hope is the car's not totaled and nobody else got hurt. So thank you again. I'll update you guys soon. Thanks.